unfortunately, especially the last two over the last couple of weeks. But here's an update on the power outages. We do have several counties that are very close to 100% without power. Now, about 3/4 of the counties along the coast, or 3/4 of each county, are without power. You can see near Sarasota, that county is about 75.5% in the dark, 77% in the dark. To the county just off to the north, 97.5% in central Florida, and we'll continue to see these rise as the night goes along. Here's live Viper radar. So earlier today, Hurricane Milton made landfall as a strong, major Category 3 hurricane as it moved over the Sarasota vicinity, right between St. Petersburg and Sarasota there, and continues to push off to the north and to the northeast. So here's Futurecast. Lots of shower and thunderstorm activity between Tampa and Orlando tonight. This is going to move across the peninsula, and with it, it's going to bring heavy rain, likely more power outages, and obviously some very intense wind speeds as well. But by 6 o'clock tomorrow, most of it has moved out into the Atlantic. So at the silver lining with this is the fact that it is a relatively quick moving storm. It's not going to hang around for a while. It's going to get moving, and most of the rain will be in the Atlantic by tomorrow afternoon. Now, as we look at satellite and radar here in East Texas, we are warm and dry right now. We've got a weak disturbance off to our north, but that is not going to do hardly anything at all. We are going to remain dry because we've got a very dry air mass in place. What's great about the air being dry is the fact that our temperatures fall at night. We were down to 58 this morning. It was excellent to be out and about in that. 87, that was your high temperature this afternoon. 95, that is the record high set back in 1963. 80s and 90s over the next 4 days. By Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, the temperatures, they will be on a downward swing as our first fall cold front moves through the area, and temperatures at night could potentially be down into the mid to upper 40s across East Texas. 60s and 70s. Right now, dew points are in the upper 40s and lower 50s, so it's still fairly dry across the area, which means it will be a dry night, and those temperatures will be allowed to fall back into the 50s. I've got us dialed in at 57 degrees tonight, mostly clear skies, mostly sunny tomorrow. 88 will be your high temperature, so slightly warmer than what we saw today. We're a degree warmer Friday. 90s expected this weekend with lots of sunshine. 86 Monday. The front's going to push through on Monday. Look at that. We're right at our sweet spot in the fall. 75 Tuesday, 73 Wednesday. We're at 48 degrees Wednesday morning. Deep East Texas, more of the same. Lots of sunshine around as temperatures warm from the 80s into the 90s this weekend. 89 Monday, and then Tuesday and Wednesday we will be in the 70s. So just to reiterate, the burn bans: Houston, Anderson, Henderson, Smith, Harrison, and Marion counties all under a burn ban, and I expect there to be more in the following days. Isaac, Casey.